I am Damien from Pulling Money Trading. This week I'll be doing technical analysis for February 14 to 18, 2022 on GBP USD, GBP JPY, EUR USD, US dollar Canadian, Bitcoin, Gold, and Ethereum. But before I get into this technical analysis, I normally have some trading rules that I normally go through. Trading rules. The aim is to consistently pull money out the market. No trading strategy is 100% effective. Don't risk more than 2% of your account balance on any one trade. Use at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio when taking a trade. Eliminate the fear of losing. Losing is a must in trading. Trade your system over and over, win or lose. Ensure that your trading system have at least a 50% win rate. Making money trading solely depends on the trader, not the trading system. It takes military style discipline to be a successful trader. Alright, so before I go over to the charts, leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell. Okay, let's head over to Trading View. Right now, I'm on the goal, but before we get into this technical analysis, trading is a battle between buyers and sellers. The aim of this technical analysis is to find a possible turning point in the market for highest probability trading. Remember to trade at your own risk and wait for confirmation. I have a master course available for sale. The email address will be in the description of the video. You can send me an email if you are interested in the master course. Right, so I'm on the goal on the weekly time frame. So the goal came into this area right here, as stated in the last video, tested this area multiple times and is targeting this area where a possible battle is going on between sellers and buyers. If the buyers win, the market will push further up, breaking through this area and continue higher up. Now, if the buyers fail to push the market beyond this point at 1845.40 to 1876.79, the market will come back into this area for another retest at 1783.51 and possible breaking through, pushing further down. Let's head down to our daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, the goal is testing this area right here, as said before, at 1843.12 to 1851.47 as expected. Right? This area failed to resist the goal. The goal will come back in to this area right here at 1783.23. This area right here is a support level because the market break through this area right here, come back into this area, test this area once, got rejected, tested it again, and is getting rejected again. So the market is possibly pushing further up, trying to break through this area right here at 1842.63. Let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now on our 4-hour time frame, the goal created a structure right here, attempting to create a double top or push further up, breaking through this area right here at 1842.31. So if the goal create a double top, the goal will come back into this area right here at 1826.96 for a retest and possible trying to break through the belly of this possible double top and breaking further down. So currently the goal is targeting this area right here at 1841.75. Now before we move over to our next technical analysis, please remember to click the subscribe button, leave a comment in the comment section, press the notification bell. This will let the video rank in the YouTube algorithm. And remember to trade at your own risk and wait for confirmation. I have a master course available for sale. Link will be in the email address will be in the description of the video. You can send me an email if you are interested in the master course. Let's move over to our Bitcoin. Now on our weekly time frame, the Bitcoin came into this era as expected at 34,047.17 to 29,834.17. Got rejected and pushed further up, breaking through this era right here at 40,667.60 to 43,827.34 and is testing this era right here at 47,288.02 to 52,554.27. Now if this era right here failed to resist the Bitcoin will push further up. But at the moment, as you can see, this era, the Bitcoin is getting rejected at 46,084.31. Now let's move over to our daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, as you can see, this era right here, which was a resistance level, has been broken by the Bitcoin. Bitcoin came into this era right here as stated before at 45,975.32 to 52,168.21 and got rejected twice. So when resistance is broken, it is normally support. So the Bitcoin is expected to come back into this era for support. Now let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, the Bitcoin has created a double top right here. And a double top is an indication of a reversal pattern. So the Bitcoin is expected to make a pullback into this era right here at 42,232.04 to 40,89879.54 for a retest and a possible support if the Bitcoin is to push further up. If this era fails to support the Bitcoin will push back into this era at 39,212.64 to 36,271.75 for support. That's it for the Bitcoin. Now before we move over to our next technical analysis, please remember to trade at your own risk, wait for confirmation. Click the subscribe button, press the notification bell. That will help the video rank in the YouTube algorithm. Let's move over to our EUR USD. Now on the weekly time frame, the EUR USD break through this trend line right here at 1.13505 and is making a retest of this era right here at 1.13965 to 1.2678. Now the EUR USD is expected to push further up into this here at 1.15620. Let's move over to our daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, the EUR USD is creating a double top, which is an indication of a reversal pattern. Now if EUR USD failed to break through this area right here at 1.14459 1.14886, it will push back into this area at 1.13711 1.127949 for support. Now if this area failed to support the EUR USD, it will push further down into this area right here at 1.11830 to 1.11211 for support. Now let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, the EUR USD is creating a triple top, which is an indication of a reversal pattern. So as I said before, the EUR USD is testing the trend line at 1.133512 1.12772. So the EUR USD is expected to test this area if it is to push further up and break through this resistance area right here. Now that's it for the EUR USD. Now before we move over to the other technical analysis, please remember that technical analysis is trading is a battle between the buyers and sellers. If the buyers win, the market will push further up. If the sellers win, the market will push further down. This technical analysis is aiming at finding the turning point in the market and possible high probability trade. Please be reminded to trade at your own risk and wait for confirmation. Have a master course available for sale which speak about confirmation, entry point and entry triggers. Email address will be in the description of the video. Now let's move over to our GBP USD. Now on our weekly time frame, the GBP USD came into this area right here at 1.341732 1.33643. Got rejected and push up targeting this area right here at 1.360492 1.36620. Now let's move over to our daily time frame. Now on our daily time frame, the GBP USD came into this area right here at break through this area right here at 1.353482 1.34445 and is targeting this area right here, trying to break further up. So the GBP USD came back into this area for support, got rejected, find support in this area and is targeting this area right here. Now point to note, the GBP USD is possibly creating a double top right here, which is a sign of a reversal pattern. Now if the GBP USD create a double top, it is expected to come back into this area, try to test the V of the double top. So the GBP USD already tested once with this candle right here, which is showing a wick, got rejected. That is a sign that this area right here is holding firm. Market is likely to try to break through this area right here at 1.36052. Now let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, the GBP USD is trying to break through this area right here. It already break above the area, got rejected, push further down, gain support, and is creating a double bottom. That is a sign of a reversal. So this is indicating that the market is likely trying to push further up. Once the market break above this area right here at 1.36139, it is expected to come back into this area for a retest and push further up. Once the market break above that area, it is expected to come back for a retest and push further up. Now that's it for the GBP USD. Now before we move over to our next technical analysis video, please remember to trade at your own risk. Wait for confirmation. Have a master course available for sale. Email address is in the description of the video. Please click the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. This will help the video rank in the YouTube algorithm and reach more persons. Now let's move over to our GBP JPY. On our weekly time frame, the GBP JPY came into this area right here for support at 153.3142, 152.510, and push further up, breaking through this area right here at 156.9282 to 156.197. So the GBP JPY is expected to push further up, come back into this area for a retest. Now let's move over to our daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, the GBP JPY break above this structure right here, created a zone, which is an indication that the GBP JPY is expected to push further up. Now let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, the GBP JPY clearly came back into this area with this candle right here for a retest and got rejected, which is a signal that the market is trying to push further up. That's it for the GBP JPY. Now before we move over to our next technical analysis video, please remember to trade at your own risk. Wait for confirmation. Have a master course available for sale. The email address is in the description. Please remember to click the subscribe button, press the notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section. This will help the video rank in the YouTube algorithm and reach more persons. Now let's move over to the US dollar Canadian. On our weekly time frame, the US CAD is currently ranging between 1.247242, 1.279032, 1.2947. Now the US CAD came into this area right here as expected. Break above this level right here and come back into this area for a retest at 1.27732, 1.2834 and got rejected. So the US CAD is expected to come back into this area right here at 1.25942, 1.24435 for another retest and a possibly breakthrough. Now if this area support the US CAD, it will come back into this area once more for another retest. Let's move over to our daily time frame. On our daily time frame, the US CAD created a double top right here. Now the double top right here is a signal that the US CAD is trying to push further down, retesting this belly of the double top right here. So let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, the US CAD created a triple top, which is a signal for a downward move. So the US CAD is expected to break below this area right here and push further down. Then come back into this area at 1.26485 for a retest. The US CAD also created a head and shoulder pattern right there. So once the market break below the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, this is expected to come back for a retest. That's it for the US CAD. But before we move over to our other technical analysis video, please remember to click the subscribe button, press the notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section. This will let the video rank in the YouTube algorithm and reach more persons. Please remember to trade at your own risk. Wait for confirmation. Have a master course available for sale. So please remember to check the description for the email address if you are interested to purchase the master course. Let's move over to our Ethereum. On our weekly time frame, the Ethereum came into this area right here as expected and got support targeting this area right here at 1.3205.17 to 3446.15. Now if this era fail to resist the Ethereum, it will push further up into this era right here at 4168.812, 3860.60. Let's move over to our daily time frame. Now on our daily time frame, the Ethereum has broken above the trend line and is making a retest of this era right here. Now if this era support Ethereum, it will push further up into this era at 3612.17 to 3946.14. Now if this era fail to support the Ethereum, it will push further down back into this era at 2846.01 to 2570.98. Let's move over to our 4-hour time frame. Now on our 4-hour time frame, the Ethereum came into this era right here and got rejected at 3287.20 to 3042.58. Now the Ethereum is showing sign of a head and shoulder pattern. Now if the Ethereum complete the head and shoulder pattern, it is expected to break below this era right here and come back into this era at 2835.03 to 2717.31 and then come back into this era for a retest. Now if the Ethereum break above this era right here, which is the head of the head and shoulder pattern, it will push further up. Now once the Ethereum break above 3298.32, it is expected to push further up. If it fail to break above this era and break below the neck of the head and shoulder pattern, it will push further down. That's it for the Ethereum. Please remember to trade at your own risk and wait for confirmation. I have a master course available for sale. Link, the email address is in the description of the video. Please remember to click the subscribe button, press the notification bell and leave a comment in the comment section. This will let the video rank in the YouTube algorithm and reach more person. Thanks for watching. See you next week.